Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an unresponsive controller on your Xbox One. Now, the first thing that you can try is simply turning off your controller and then turning it back on. So simply hold down the Xbox button right here, and if you hold it down for like 10 seconds, it will automatically turn off, and you won't have to unplug the batteries or take them out. So now that my controller is turned off, I can simply try turning them back on, see if it reconnects and it works and it's responsive from there. Now the second thing that we can do is reset the controller by holding down the sync button on the top. So let's just hold this down. If you hold it down for about 10 seconds, the controller will reset and you'll feel it vibrate 2 times, and that's when you'll know that it's reset. And then we'll have to resync it back to our Xbox One. So it's vibrating and it turned off. Now if I try turning it back on, it's not going to connect to my Xbox One, and I have to resync it. Now you can easily resync it with just a USB cable by plugging this into the front of the controller and the Xbox One. Otherwise, I can hold down the sync button and press this at the same time as the sync button on the Xbox One. So here's the sync button right here. Let's press both these at the same time, and my controller should sync up with my Xbox One. So if it doesn't sync right away, try just syncing the controller with a USB cable and you should be good to go. Otherwise, press both these buttons at the same time. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.